Hi, welcome to Life Skills to Learn. Today I'm going to be talking about two of my products. The first one is Circle Time Book, which is a non-electronic book to use during Circle Time. Also to create those visual supports for kids. This could be used as a standalone during Circle Time, or you could also use it in conjunction with an AAC device. The next one I have is a morning meeting book, which is more for the older kids. So I would say like middle school to high school. So I'm going to show you both today. So in my Circle Time book, over here we have just our standard Circle Time activities, which is weather, the day, the season, the month, the temperature, and you could check it out on my preview. I give you like an entire overview of the product. So over here, a lot of times just to show you how to use it in conjunction with an AAC device. So let's say you're talking about the temperature, and let's say today is hot outside. So we could go ahead onto your device, which I'm using Touch Chat with Word Power. So I could either go into describe and I could say it's hot outside, or I could go into groups and weather and I could talk about
the weather is hot.
Okay, so that's just, we could model it. You could also have the child go on and they could tell you with their device, whichever way you want. There's no like real right or wrong way to do it. The next one I'm going to show you. Now, the morning meeting book is very similar. It just has more vocational and like kind of transitional activities. So we still have our same days and months, but it's a little bit more, I would say, a little bit more for that older population. We still have the weather, but more of over here, we have the clothing and the fact of like, well, what are you wearing according to the weather? So if we go into our device over here, if it is hot outside, then maybe we are going to wear something like a
shirt
or
shorts.
So we want to do we want to be able to know that we're wearing clothing that is going to be appropriate for the weather. And over here in the morning meeting book, we still have our holidays, we still have our feelings. But over here we have jobs of the day. So if you're going to be covering jobs of the day in morning meeting, this is where you have a large selection of jobs of the day. And core word of the day is in both the books. And this is something I also put for the older kids is exercise of the day, because I really do think that exercise is just an important part of every day. For all kids. And so just keeping active is really, really important, but also getting our students to understand what exercise is and the importance of it. And then this is also with the schedule as well, what their schedule is for the day. And what's different about about Circle Time in the morning meeting book is a community trip, which we may not do for the younger kids. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please reach out to ask about how to, use it with an AAC device or any questions about the product. And thank you for watching.